Guys, I'm here with a new video. It's regarding the anatomy and morphology of the tooth. So let's know what is first anatomy. Dental anatomy is the field of anatomy dedicated to the study of the anatomical and morphological characteristics of the tooth. So dental morphology can be considered to be the subdivision of oral anatomy. So let's see what are the anatomy and morphology of the tooth. So tooth structure. It is crown, root, cervix or the neck. So crown, portion of tooth that is covered by enamel is called crown. Clinical crown, the term is used to describe the portion that is visible in the oral cavity. Anatomic crown, the entire portion of the crown that is covered by enamel is called anatomic crown. In case of an erupting tooth, the clinical crown is shorter than the anatomic crown, as the full anatomic crown is not yet exposed to the oral cavity. In contrast, in a tooth with gingival recession and root exposure, the clinical crown is longer than the anatomic crown because this includes full anatomic crown and a part of root that is already exposed in the oral cavity. So next is the root. The portion of the tooth which is covered by cementum is called the root, and it is embedded within the alveolar bone. So there are single rooted and multi-rooted tooth. So let's see what are all the single and multi-rooted permanent teeth in the oral cavity. So the single rooted tooth are anteriors like canines, incisors and mandibular premolars, maxillary second premolars. And the multi-rooted permanent teeth are maxillary first premolars which have two roots, mandibular molars which have two roots, and maxillary molar which has three roots. So next is the cervix or neck, the constricted portion of the tooth where the anatomic crown and the root meets. It is exactly the junction between the enamel and the cementum. So the structures of the tooth. The tooth is made up of three hard tissue components and soft tissue component. The three hard tissue components are enamel, dentin, cementum. So the enamel is the most hard tissue in the human body, and next comes the dentin, which is vital in nature. So cementum, as you all know, is the covering of the root, and the soft tissue component is the pulp, which have nerve supply and blood supply. So the supporting structure of the tooth is the periodontal ligament, which holds the tooth, and the covering of the tooth, which is the cementum and the alveolar bone. So the junctions in a tooth. So let's see the junctions. The first junction is cemento-enamel junction, which is located at the cervix. And next is the dentino-enamel junction, the junction between the coronal dentin and the enamel of the tooth. It is scalloped in nature. If this junction is weak, the enamel is easily separated from the dentin and the enamel is chipped off or lost. So next is the cemento-dentinal junction, which is between the radicular dentin and the cementum, which is the covering of the tooth. So this video is just very basic regarding the covering structures of the tooth and the parts in the tooth. So in the next video I'll be explaining everything in detail. So keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you.